brothers and sisters of the Burrophile Life. This is Jonnie B, showing you the C-10. Look at this dude. So this thing's a 1980 model. So it's the last year for the round style front, but it's got a square headlight in it. I think that means it's a Silverado model. Couldn't tell you, because there's really no identifying marks in this thing. It's been pretty well tore up. Put some new springs on it. It's getting a 4L80. Still got a bunch of crap in the back of it. Got a little ding in the front, but that's fine. Been playing around with swapping it to the round headlight, so got some stuff off. Been test fitting, so I'm going to have to get this filler panel down here. Not a big deal. It's a 305 truck. It's like somebody's been touching it. It's hot. Oh, that is hot. Usually had AC, it looks like, but not anymore. Alright guys, I already got the bolt off this turd. Now to pull the balancer off. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is try to get this broken dipstick out. I've been thinking about it, and it looks like if I just heat it up, it'll probably come on out. So at work, I've got this thing called a Mini-Ductor, and what it does is if you put a piece of metal in the middle of that coil, it'll heat it up like an inductive cooktop heats up pans and whatnot. So if you stick it around there and hit the button, you'll see in no time, basically, see how that's red hot right there? And now, I can take my hammer, probably tap this thing out. Yes! Hell yeah! And just like that. Put a cam in it. It's a Little John Stage 2 4.8 turbo cam, because my plans are to turbo this thing in the future, but the specs are tame enough to where it'll work pretty good NA, and it's on a 112, so it'll sound pretty good.
I'm still standing here, waiting for my honey. Hope she will come.
Alright, it usually doesn't take much to get these things started on there, and they're not pressed on that hard. These things aren't pressed on that hard at all. So, Since it's on an engine stand, I've got this thing upside down. I can have it any way I want. So, the easiest way to replace the LS is upside down because it keeps all the lifters down anyway. Alright. I'll pull that front cover off.
For having much fun, but she's not here.
Replace the oil pump timing chain once my oil pump gets here. Postal Service, instead of sending it to Missouri, send it to frickin' Indiana. That means it's gonna be like 400 days late. We'll be here by now. What I like to use are the water pump bolts because they're long, but there's